In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account in Exness. So you can add a bank account to Exness by first logging into your personal area, also known as PA, or of course the dashboard of Exness, and then you want to go to the deposit section, which you can find over here under payments and wallet by clicking the deposit button over here. And then here, you have to select a payment method to start the process, okay? So here, as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones you can use. And here, for example, you can select the bank card. And when you click on that, basically you'll be able to then go ahead and add your payment method, okay? So here it's a bank card. You'll be able to add your bank card. If in your country there's the option to actually directly add a bank account, you can use that as well. But if not, of course, bank card should be the closest one to adding a bank account, okay? Of course, you can then go ahead and withdraw over here, and you can withdraw via a bank transfer to your bank account, but depositing only is possible with a bank card right now if you're not in the correct area. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.